Our second principle is attend to variability. Now, you all know what works has become a convenient shorthand for valuing the use of evidence in all the work that we do. But also, what works tends to oversell the idea of what single thing works. The real question is not simply what works, but what works for who, under what conditions. For most interventions, even really good ideas, what stands out is the enormous variability in performance. What's a good idea in one place turns out to be not as great an idea in another place. You get all these lighthouses of success. Getting quality to occur reliably for all students is solving the variability in performance. That's the real problem, not just simply what works, but what works for who under different contexts. This requires moving beyond knowing what can work for some students in some settings. We have to move to knowing how to achieve improved outcomes reliably for different subgroups of students and teachers in many different organizational and community settings. Adapting and integrating effective change in every school and classroom is the improvement problem. Only by focusing in this way can we move from unacceptable variability to a future where more and more students succeed with our innovations. We can do this. When we do this, we can move from long-standing disparities to outcomes that can really work for many, many more students.